Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to add mobile data on your control center. As you can see, we have the mobile data over here. But even though this is quite consuming, because if you want to turn on the mobile data, first you have to go over here to the control center and you have to tap on this. And now we have to turn on the mobile data. So this is going to take a bit of time. So if you wanted to make it absent free, how we can do this? So to do this, what we need to do is just go to the control center like this. Now at the top left, you can see there is a plus icon. Tap on this particular icon. And now once you tap on this one, you can delete one from here. And afterwards, just go over. There is an option called add a control. Tap on this one. I'm trying to, as you can see, there are plenty of things. Now from here, you have to scroll down and you have to navigate to mobile data. So here there is a mobile data, so just tap on this one. And right now, as you can see, the mobile data is here. So now you can pick this, or you can move this to over here, you can do it over here, and it gets done. And now once afterwards, you have to consider, okay, it is done. And now afterwards, if you want to turn on the mobile data, just go over here very easily and tap on this one. You don't have to do that over here and navigate to this one. Just tap on this one, which is very easy. And this is how you can do this on your iOS 18. And I hope this video is helpful, successful, and I treat you. Peace out. Bye bye.